welcome to RVing with Tucker.
And he's roaming around since we're outside.
The day's so pretty out here, so we decided to sit outside.
Yep.
But we have assembled, put together a big to-do list to try to get accomplished before we go to Pickwick, to Tennessee River in June. So
we're going there first?
Going there first. And then we're going to possibly Cookville? Not Cookville, Crossville, Tennessee.
I think you got your C's crossed.
I got all my C's crossed. Okay, give us our first item on the list.
Remove the window valances.
Yes.
The bedroom. There are 3 of them.
To say goodbye to
Kiss it
the
goodbye.
90s. Yes, they are. They are the 90s, and the 90s called, and they want their balances back. So we're gonna get rid of them, make more room, make it look a little better.
They're just kind of hideous. I'm not gonna lie.
They're 90s, man.
They're very hideous.
They are 90s. What else we got?
Organize the cockpit.
Yes, we have a storage area where the TV, the big box 90s TV used to be, that we're kind of using as our little travel area, storage area, and so we're gonna try to get some organizers for that.
Fill the propane.
Yes, you gotta get the propane tank.
Are you tongue tangled today?
I'm tongue tangled, I am. It's been a busy day. What else we got?
Remove this. I was gonna say remove the stains. Remove the remains of the shower. Yeah, you got me tongue tangled.
I'm telling you.
Remove the shower door at the bottom where we had a shower door.
We had a shower door. It was broken.
Hey, Tucker.
In like 140 places.
Yeah.
And so we removed that and put a shower.
It was like the middle part was messed up.
So now we have the bottom part that we need to remove. So gotta figure
organize down here.
The basement. She doesn't like to call it the basement. She thinks it's stupid.
I mean, it's part of the RV, but it's
like,
not a house.
You think of a basement, you think you need a pool table or something in there, right? But no. That's the little cabinets down here.
No, when I think of a basement, I think of dark and creepy, and you go down there when you have a storm. So I'm not getting under these.
Have you seen them?
I'm not getting under them when we have a storm.
True. It'd be kind of hard.
I would take my chances.
But we do need to organize this area.
Yes, we definitely do. Of course, we talked about removing the console, so we just have to replace it with a new one.
Yes, we need to. It's from 1995. It doesn't fit. Doesn't hold any. I think it was designed to fit a 1982 Tupperware cup because
I guess so.
That big around. There's nothing will fit in it. So
yeah, it
definitely need
my
to
phone.
I
tried to set in it, it just slid out.
It's no good. No bueno.
So then we got which we have our pantry, of course, but the dog food. We just brought the bag and realized quickly.
Solution for the dog food. Yes.
Put it in something. So I decided, and he said it sounded good to him. One of those cereal containers that you can pour the dog food.
Like for Captain Crunch.
Is that your favorite or something?
No, but it's just all I can think of.
Frosted Flakes.
Just make sure that you don't get
no, you have to
the dog food crossed up with your Lucky Charms.
I think you can tell the difference because it's clear, but you label it. Then we got to replace the light and hang the lights on the inside.
Yes, replace we're talking about getting LED bulbs to replace them. If I just want, I've been putting that off because I haven't been able to find the exact bulb yet, so we may have to get some replacement, just regular 12-volt bulbs to put in there. So. And hang the lights, the LED lights that we talked about last week.
Yep. The Velcro is terrible.
The Velcro on them is just like that big, and it's not holding.
It wasn't heavy duty. You need heavy duty.
Yes.
So I advise to get a roll of it. I know they make the little squares. You can buy in the package. They're cheaper. Yeah. But it's better if you get the roll. You can cut the size. Well, you can cut the size you want.
And it's 10 pounds.
Well, it holds 10 pounds. It don't weigh 10 pounds.
You used to use that in your other line of work?
Yes.
Which was?
I did. I worked with children.
Yes. Did you Velcro them to the wall?
No. You don't.
I would have Velcro them to the wall.
No, you can't
do
that.
Time.
You can't do that. That's no.
That's
not humane. You can't do that. Basically, it was just to hang stuff up that wouldn't fall.
This chair, it's not good for me to sit in this chair. Every time I sit in this chair, I feel like Tigger. I just kind of want to bounce.
I just sit here like.
Take these with us.
No, we're not taking them with us.
Take them with us. Strap them on the back. Strap them on the back.
Back to what we're talking about. Of course, we're gonna get curtains to replace those hideous balances. Fixing the water pump?
Yes, fixing the water pump. I have been working on that today. Got a future video coming up about that.
Somebody want to say hi.
Saturday morning, we filled up. Tucker, it's your show, man. What's the deal? Saturday, we filled up the freshwater tank. Well, Sunday, we had a beautiful sunny day. Sunday,
About like
beautiful
today.
Day. And Sunday
You want to say hi?
evening, we came home, and under the RV was damp. Michelle's like,
I was like, why is it water in it? I thought we had a leak.
I'm like, oh, it was raining yesterday. It's no big deal.
Mm-hmm.
It's all it is.
All that was dried up.
Yeah, so no. So I went around there and looked, fearing the worst, fearing that it was oil, but it was water.
Alright.
So water pump, so we come out, and so I come out today to look at it, because we saw that it was leaking. And when I come out to look at it, it was leaking. I'll give you this whole story when I give
Yeah.
Future video coming up about that. I'll give you the whole story about all that. But
Well,
yes, we got to fix the water pump.
Last thing is to replace the bathroom vent cover.
Yes.
We talked about that in the previous video
Yes.
about the leak, so
It needs
we
to
gotta
be
get that
replaced.
fixed.
Yes, the vent cover. I have found one, so I'm hopefully gonna pick that up. Future video about that too. Anything else on the list?
I believe that's it.
Oh, one other thing, we do need to replace our windshield wipers.
Oh
And
yeah.
our
You
windshield
didn't
wipers.
put that on the list?
I didn't put it on the list. I gotta put it on the list. But the windshield wipers, they're like an old style or like a commercial style where it just they bolt on, they screw on. So we got to get an adapter for that. So definitely got to get that fixed.
That decided to be in the end.
You want to be? You decide in the very end of the video to make your appearance.
At the end.
Tell them bye. Bye, everybody. Thanks
He's
for watching our
more
videos.
worried about the birds flying over.
Yes, he's worried about the birds. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like our videos, hit that thumbs up button down there. Subscribe, comment, tell us what you think in the comments. And we'll look forward to seeing you at the next video.